grade 3, welcome back to our grade 3 English e-learning. This is our lesson video number 3 for the week 3 of July 2021. We are still on Unit 8 and the title of our unit is I Like a Melon. Please get your student book and turn to page 68. Turn to page 68. We are now on lesson 5, and on lesson 5 we are going to learn words, okay, about food, and we will do listen, point, and repeat, and we are going to read a recipe, and the title of that recipe is My Favorite Dish. That's what we are going to read today on this video, and after that we are going to do listen and read the reading activity, My Favorite Dish. Let's start. Okay, so for our first part, we will do the words. Okay, we are going to learn more food words. So please get your student book and turn to page 68. Let's start. This one is a potato. Okay, potato. It's a vegetable. Potato. Here we have butter. Butter. This one is a dairy. We use this for cooking or baking. Butter. Potato and butter. And then we have cheese. This one is cheese. What's a cheese? This one is also a dairy product. Okay? And we use cheese for toppings or food, or you can put cheese in your sandwich, right? And then we have salt. Okay, this one is salt. We use this to give taste to our meal or to our food or the dish that we are trying to make. Pepper. The same with salt. We use this as spices. Okay, we use this to give taste to our food. So that's pepper. And this one is peas. This is a vegetable. Okay, this one inside, like the small green balls, these are what you call peas. Okay, we mix that one with the food. Let's review the words. What's this? Yes, potato, butter, cheese, salt, good, pepper, yes, and peas. Very good. Okay, this time let's do our listen and point and listen and repeat activity. So get your pointer fingers ready, turn your listening ears on, and turn your listening eyes on too. So listen to this. Let's do listen and point and listen and repeat.
Listening 81. Listen and point. Potato, butter, cheese, salt, pepper, peas, salt, cheese, peas, butter, pepper, potato. Listen and repeat. Potato, butter, cheese, salt, pepper, peas.
Okay, so that ends our listen and point and listen and repeat. Let's go to our next exercise. Let's read about my favorite dish. Let's look at the picture first. Okay, can we name this one? Do you see this? Okay, let's name the ingredients or the things that we are going to need to make our favorite dish. Can you tell me what's this? Yes, these are potatoes. How about this? Yes, it's a milk. This one? Yes, it's a salt. How about this? Pepper. This one? The peas. Yes. This is cheese. And this is butter. And this one is a fish. And you need also a dish. Okay? You need something to put on. Okay? Like a plate. So, let's read this one. And then later we are going to listen to the audio and we do listen and read. So, let's read first the words. Today, I want to tell you how to make my favorite dish. Okay, you read after me, okay? You listen, and then after I read, you read, okay? You need 2 big potatoes. Your turn. And you need a piece of fish. You need some milk and butter. And you need a lot of cheese. You need some salt and pepper. And you need some nice fresh peas. You cook the 2 potatoes and you mash them in a pot. You cook the peas in water and you make them nice and hot. You cook the fish in milk now and you put it in a dish. You take the peas and butter and you mix them with the fish. You add the mashed potatoes and you put the cheese on top. You cook it in the oven. When it's brown on top, you stop. Let's do listen and read. Listen to this.
Listening 82. Listen and read.
My favorite dish. Today I want to tell you how to make my favorite dish. You need 2 big potatoes and you need a piece of fish. You need some milk and butter and you need a lot of cheese. You need some salt and pepper and you need some nice fresh peas. You cook the 2 potatoes and you mash them in a pot. You cook the peas in water and you make them nice and hot. You cook the fish in milk now and you put it in a dish. You take the peas and butter and you mix them with the fish. You add the mashed potatoes and you put the cheese on top. You cook it in the oven. When it's brown on top, you stop.
Alright, so that ends our listen and read activity. Okay, how many potatoes do we need to make this dish? Do you remember? How many potatoes do we need to make this dish? Yes, we need 2 big potatoes. There. And we need a piece of, we need a fish. Yes. What else do we need? Some milk and a butter. Yes. What else? We need cheese. Good. And salt and pepper. And also peas. Yes, we need peas. Okay. Do we need milk? Yes, here we have milk. And yes, these are the things that we need to make our dish. 2 big potatoes, fish, milk, butter, cheese, salt, pepper, and peas. Let's move to our next exercise. Okay, get your pencils and we will do exercise number 3. We are going to read the sentences and write T if it's true or F if it's false. Let's do number 1. Okay, according to what we've read, you need 2 small potatoes. You need 2 small potatoes. Is it true or false? It's false. Yes, so write F. Why? What do we need? We need 2 big potatoes. Yes, 2 big potatoes. Number 2, you need a piece of meat. You need a piece of meat. True or false? It's false. Why? What do we need? A piece of fish. Yes, a piece of fish, not a piece of meat. Okay, number 3. You need some butter. Do we need some butter? You need some butter. True or false? Yes, it's true. You need some butter. Okay, number 4. You cook the peas in milk. You cook the peas in milk. True or false? It's false. Why? Where do we cook the peas? Where do we cook the peas? In the water. Yes, we cook the peas in the water. Number 5. You put the fish in a dish. Is it true or false? You put the fish in a dish. The answer is true. Yes, put fish in a dish. And last one, number 6. You put the cheese on top. True or false? Yes, it's true. So these are the answers for our exercise number 3 on your student book. So our lesson 5 ends here. Next week we will do lesson 6 and we are going to learn science time. Alright? Thank you for joining me today. See you on our next lesson video. Goodbye and thank you for watching.